Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites. Some medical cannabis stakeholders are blaming the Cannabis Licensing Authority (CLA) for not being able to reap the millions that were promised to them when the burgeoning industry was being established in Jamaica. However, while speaking at a recent Jamaica Observer business forum, CLA Chairman Lavon Flynn argued that the agency will not take full responsibility for the losses experienced by businesses which chose to operate in the local industry. He made the point that mergers, acquisitions, and pullouts in today's business environment is quite the norm and noted that it's not unique to Jamaica. As supply chain issues and inflation force more countries to evaluate their food security predicament, Jamaica is moving to ramp up its food production by integrating technology more in agriculture.
CARICOM imports over 4 billion, between 4 and 5 billion US dollars of food. So the Caribbean is one of the regions that is most food insecure in the world. Jamaica alone imports 1 billion US dollars of food. And that is actually crazy considering the volume of land that we have here, 400,000 plus acres, that we are not using or not using to its potential. So by getting involved in technology, bringing technology to bear on agriculture, we can really start to transform agriculture.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.